Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change Nissan Murano wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the ignition is completely off. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright position. This prepares the arm for safe blade removal. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look closely at the connector where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade downwards, away from the arm's hook. It should detach easily. Remember to hold onto the wiper arm securely so it doesn't accidentally snap back and potentially damage your windshield. Safety first. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into position. Once both blades are attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Do this slowly to avoid any impact. Finally, repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your Nissan Murano. Once both new blades are installed, turn on your vehicle and test them out using your windshield washer fluid. Observe how they clear the glass. They should wipe smoothly and quietly, leaving your windshield perfectly clean and streak-free. Enjoy your improved visibility and safer driving experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.